Hi, today we will have a look inside this little piece of aircraft electronics, probably some power supply converter made by TEL or TED, date code of May 1980, serial number 215, model number X051. We have a NATO number on it, 6130-14-042-4039. So NATO stock number. No modification record. We have heatsink on the top. We have here factory seal from Dial Electronic Kvalitetssicherung or control shop overall seal maybe. Here we have a connector with 6 contacts. Okay, so I will remove the screws. So I did remove the bottom cover screw, but I will not undo this one because they are really insanely tight. There is just a power transistor behind this heatsink, by the way. Probably 3 spots for power transistors, but only 1 populated, as you will see. So here we have inside. We have 1 small PCB. You can see the very nice work around this wire loom. All this handmade wire loom things. We have here what seems to be maybe a temperature sensor made by Clixon. Here the power transistor bolts and contacts, and little PCB like this with 2 capacitors here, very nice sealed capacitors, by the way. Another transistor here, 2N5320 with little heatsink, and it is interesting because it seems to be a 2 parts heatsink. This part seems to be independent from this one. Apart from that, we have power resistor here, some more transistors. You can see the lock nuts, prisoner lock nuts for the cover screws, and also for the heatsink screws. They are really tight. Removing these screws, it was really a pain. So it will not come apart by itself also. But this PCB screws seems they are not so secured. Well, they are secure. Probably they did put some Loctite or something like this, because it is just regular standoffs, 3D standoffs, but they are not coming off at all. So for sure this thing, well, not easily at least. So this thing is really well made. Simple and effective in fact. As you can see, there is no conformal coating over the PCB. And what else? It is not watertight at all. So probably it is supposed to go in a protected area in the aircraft. And as you can see, nice wire loom. And it is all for this thing. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.